What if I told you there's a way to save hours every week while consistently growing your LinkedIn lead pipeline? No more tedious manual searches, just streamlined automated results. Sounds like a dream, right? Hey everyone, my name is Cole, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage LinkedIn Sales Navigator saved searches to revolutionize your lead generation process. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the tools and techniques you need to save time and generate high-quality leads at scale. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Saved searches are a powerful feature of Sales Navigator. They let you track leads that match your criteria and notify you of updates automatically, saving you hours of manual work. For example, let's say you're looking for VPs of marketing in the software industry based out of San Francisco. Start by applying some filters. Select Vice President as the job title, San Francisco Bay Area as the location, software development as the industry, and if you want to narrow it down further, specify a company headcount, like 11 to 50 employees. Precise filters like these ensure that your results are always highly targeted. Once you've applied these filters, your search results will automatically populate, and in the top right corner of the filters menu, you'll notice a button that says Save Search. Go ahead and click on it. Now, unsurprisingly, LinkedIn will save this search and start notifying you of any new results. Not only that, but you can now access your saved searches anytime by clicking on the Save Searches tab in Sales Navigator. LinkedIn will automatically assign a default title to the search, but you can easily rename it by clicking on the pencil icon. For instance, you might want to name it something like VP Marketing SF for better organization. So from now on, LinkedIn will notify you every week whenever there are new results that match your search criteria. By clicking on new results, you can focus exclusively on fresh leads, skipping over the ones you've already reviewed. Now, before we move on, here's a quick tip. With Sales Navigator, you can save up to 50 lead searches and 50 account searches all at once. That said, be sure to take advantage of this feature as it's a great way to cover multiple industries or niches without overwhelming yourself. All right, now let's talk about how to get the most out of your saved searches. One of my favorite strategies is using icebreaker filters in Sales Navigator. For example, you can filter by changed jobs, posted on LinkedIn, or mentioned in the news. These filters give you valuable context to personalize your outreach. Let's say your search includes recently changed jobs. You can find a prospect from your list and craft a message. For example, "Hi Aiden, I noticed you recently joined such and such company as a head of sales. Congratulations. I'd love to connect and see if I can help you hit the ground running in your new role." For posted on LinkedIn, you might say, "Hi John, I saw your recent post about lead generation trends. Your insights were spot on, and I'd love to connect to share ideas on how to optimize outreach strategies." Simple enough, right? But here's another pro tip. Make sure you create separate saved searches for each icebreaker filter. For instance, have one search for changed jobs and another for mention in the news. This way, you'll receive tailored updates each week and can craft hyper-relevant outreach messages every time. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable sales tips. As always, thanks for watching, happy prospecting, and I'll see you in the next video.